This is the first and only hanging garden spa in the Philippines. Just 1 hour away from Metro Manila. This is Lulhetas Hanging Garden Spa, located in the heart of Antipolo City. So I booked their day tour package on Klook. From the main entrance, may cart na susundo sa inyo para ihatid sa mismong garden spa. The staff were very welcoming and accommodating throughout our stay. They handed me a basket na may locker key, towels, and rope. At may pa-welcome drinks and snacks pa featuring their famous sumaka. A combination of 3 Rizal specialties which is suman, mangga, at kasoy. We then proceeded to the locker area to get changed. Dito, suot ninyo ang batik, the traditional robe while roaming around the garden spa. Let me show you the amenities na surely ma-enjoy ninyo. This is the hydro massage pool and vibes pa lang sobrang calming na, with water jets for an added relaxation. May mga fish spa, heated jacuzzis, and access to their sauna. What I also love here is that you can choose the body scrub treatment for your session and the choice of massage oil for your body massage. After a super relaxing session, may mga resting place like the Philippine Pavilion. Inside, may mga board games and cue sports na pwedeng gamitin. Meron ding mabuhay lounge, which is one of my favorite spots dito sa Lulhetas. We went on a weekday kaya halos na solo namin ang lugar. They have 2 infinity pools at dito namin sinulit ang oras namin. We will definitely love the view here. I also recommend adding a meal to your day tour package kasi trust me, ang sarap ng smoked salmon at pork ribs nila. Ganito naman ang view sa hapon and you'll appreciate the view of Metro and Laguna de Bay. Pero how to get there? Sakay lang ng LRT Line 2 from Araneta Cubao Station to Antipolo Station. A single journey ticket costs 25 pesos. And then, mag-exit lang sa Eastgate Business Center kung nasaan ang Eastgate Terminal. From there, sakay lang ng e-jeep to Walter Mart Antipolo and this will cost you 32.60 pesos. And lastly, take a tricycle from Walter Mart to Laurelland Farm Resort. Fare is 50 pesos for 2 packs na yon. If you are going by car, just pin Lulhetas Hanging Garden Spa on your navigation app. And don't worry, kasi malawak ang parking space nila dito. You can book this activity on Klook and get a discount when you use my code KeepWanderingKlook. You can also add Lulhetas Place Garden Suites to your booking if you want to stay for a night.